Today we will read a new chapter, Major Water Bodies. Open your book at page number 36. Today we will learn about sea, coast, strait, bay, and gulf. Students, listen whatever I am telling in this video very carefully. First, we will learn about ocean, which is made up of salt water, and oceans are the largest bodies of water on earth. Some examples of oceans are Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, etc. Now we will learn about sea. A sea is a large body of saline or salty water, usually a region within an ocean, or you can say usually connected with an ocean. For example, the Arabian Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Sometimes a large and usually saline lake is also known as sea. For example, you can say the Dead Sea. Look at the screen. At the center of your screen, you can see there is a water body called Dead Sea, and this is not big in size. And in the next map, you can see the Caspian Sea, which is also surrounded with land and not big in size like any other sea. The water in seas and oceans are always moving because of winds. These moving waters are called waves. Now we will learn about coast. If you visited the sea beaches, you can see there is an area where the land meets the sea, that is called coast. Some coasts have a sandy and flat beach, and some coasts have cliffs and rocks and no beach. Look at your book, you can see the Giant's Causeway, and in your screen you can see these are the flat sea beach full of sand. People are walking and playing on the beach. Look at the picture in your book. This is the Giant's Causeway. This beach is full of cliffs and rocks, and basically this seashore has no beach. Huge waves come and dash against these cliffs. The pictures in your screen, which are you watching now, this is the sea beach of Goa of India, and the previous picture of the beach was of Keralian beach. And these two beaches are very famous in India and they are very popular with the tourists. Now moving on to our another major water body, which is bay. Bay is an area of water mostly surrounded by land. The water in bays is generally calmer than seas. There are not many waves in the water of bay. And the reason of this is because the surrounding land blocks some of the waves and winds. So, bays are a safe place for fishing than fishing in the ocean. Next, we will learn about Gulf. Look at the picture. You can see a large area of sea or oceans partially enclosed by land. So we can say a gulf is a large bay with a narrow mouth and is a part of an ocean or sea with land on three sides. The Gulf of Kutch is an inlet of the Arabian Sea along the west coast of India. The Gulf of Kutch is in Gujarat. And today's our last major water body is strait. Strait is a narrow passage of water between two larger bodies of water. If you look the picture carefully, you can see there is a narrow passage. For example, we can say that the Palk Strait joins the Bay of Bengal to the Indian Ocean. This is an example of strait.